Where to view occupancy report and forecast in Softinn PMS. Hello Softinn PMS users. As a hotel manager, you would like to know your hotel occupancy rate, ADR, and RevPAR for any given current or future date. From the occupancy report and forecast, you will be able to know and forecast your room occupancy and its revenue. Let's check out this video to find out where to view occupancy report and forecast in Softinn PMS. Log in to Softinn PMS. Select the correct property. You can click on Others and then click on Report. Next, click on Occupancy Report and Forecast. This is Occupancy Report and Forecast page. Occupancy Report and Forecast data is generated based on Folio Applicable Date. You could choose to view the report by daily, weekly or monthly. In this example, I'll choose to view the report on monthly. You could choose to view the revenue on this report based on the amount before tax or amount after tax. In this example, I will choose to view based on amount before tax. You could filter to view the report for which room type, if you want to. In this bar chart, you would know the revenue and occupancy rate by each day in the month of June 2023. In this example, you would see that 6th June has the highest occupancy rate of 61.70% and the highest in revenue of Rm 3,470.51 throughout the month of June 2023. As of today, 9th June, you will also know the forecast of revenue and occupancy rate in future dates. The second graph shows you the ADR, RevPAR and occupancy rate by each date for the month of June 2023. When you hover your mouse to the chart, you could see the occupancy rate, ADR and RevPAR for each date. The last graph, you could compare the revenue and occupancy rate by each date with previous year, previous month and over a quarter. On the last part of this report, you could view the data by date in table. From the table, you will get to know the total number of room by each date to be sold for June 2023 and total rooms sold in June 2023. You also could view total room revenue for June 2023. You may export the table in Excel by clicking the Excel icon. In this example, you have successfully downloaded the table for occupancy report and forecast for the month of June 2023. Hope this video helps you on where to view occupancy report and forecast in Softinn PMS.
Hi, thank you for watching this video. I'm singing as an IT intern from Marketing Department. My role is to create and update Softin landing page. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe our video.